Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. In this video, we come across something interesting. 3 guys riding those mini pit bike motorcycles on the highway or on the road at a red light. Now, I'm pretty sure these things aren't street legal, but I'm not 100%. Anyway,
Right.
in this video, you'll hear me make the comment that I
case,
catch the most interesting things on the dash cam at this red light. And I do. This is the 3rd incident I've caught at this red light.
Minibike Mafia.
Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
Legal? No. Got them big tires on them.
Use it as an excuse not to pay. We work with doctors who can see what X-rays can't, giving you a case insurance companies can't ignore. Farah and Farah, here for you, here for good. AT&T Fiber presents a straightforward moment inspired by straightforward pricing. And now we just made a chip on our thing. So let's eliminate tonight. The Scarpino Ravel online is fine. We gon' love them all. We'll be okay with this AT&T Fiber sim.
That one's in the turn lane. Surely he's not going on the interstate. No. Just driving wherever he wants to drive.
Well, we catch the most interesting things on this camera going into Jacksonville in the afternoons, don't we?
Yeah.
They're doing 50.
Yeah. Goggles. And a face mask.
Oops, hurt.
Yeah.
Think you guys could double up, let me take one of your bikes?
Not unless he grows tits.
Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.